Kabaddi is an extreme sport from India. Its history is a bit unclear. Some say that it was originated in India as a way to train soldiers for combat over 4,000 years ago. Others say it was first played in Iran. Kabaddi is a team sport which relies on physical contact. A match consists of two teams trying to score points by raiding their opponents and trying to touch as many other players on the opposite team as possible. The defenders are tasked with tackling the raider in order to prevent them from scoring points. The game's main rule is players must not touch anything other than the raider's hands, arms, feet, legs, and torso while tackling. Another rule that caught my attention was the fact that when a player crosses into the other team's boundary, they must say the word Kabaddi repeatedly. If they stop saying the word, even for a split second, they are out. Kabaddi has become increasingly popular over the decades. In 2017, the sport started being broadcast on television in India. As a result, Kabaddi has skyrocketed to success and is now considered one of India's most popular sports, right behind cricket. Essentially, Kabaddi is an extreme game of tag. I feel like this would be a great game for football players to play during a fitness camp or training session, as it is a very physical sport and requires the use of proper form for tackling. This project was very interesting as there were many international games I had never heard of before. I like that we got the chance to learn something new. Thank you.